Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to make folders not easily deleted on a Windows 11 laptop. This method is very useful for those of you who have important folders on your laptop. For more details you can follow the steps in this video. The first step, open the File Explorer on your laptop, then select one of the folders that you will set so that it is not easily deleted. Before going to the tutorial, I first explain if the folder is not set, it will be easily deleted like this. Then how to make the folder not easily deleted. Pay attention to this little arrow to follow the steps. Now I have succeeded in making the folder not easily deleted on the laptop. Then what if at any time we want to delete the folder? The way is quite easy, pay attention to this little arrow to follow the steps.